Major industries which you will read about in this chapter are the iron and steel industry, the cotton textile industry, and the information technology industry. Let us study about them one by one. Iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry is one of the most basic industries. It provides the base for other industries. Therefore, it is called the basic industry. It is also called a feeder industry as it provides raw material for other industries. The inputs for the iron and steel industry are iron ore, coal, limestone, manganese, labor, capital, and other infrastructure. The processes include refining iron ore and making steel. Iron ore is usually smelted in a blast furnace. The output obtained is iron and steel. The molten iron, after being separated from the iron ore, is either cooled or molded to make pig iron. Here pig iron means raw iron. Many countries have developed iron and steel mills, and some of them have their own raw materials while others export it. The countries in which iron and steel industry is located are USA and Canada of North America, UK, Germany and France of Europe, China, Japan and India of Asia. In India, most of the iron and steel mills are located close to the centers of raw material supply. Tata Iron and Steel Company, known as TISCO, is the first ever privatized iron and steel plant. It was established in 1907 by Jamshedji Tata, and it is the 10th largest steel producing company in the world. Let's discuss the locational advantages of Tata Iron and Steel Industry at Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur is very well connected by road and rail services. It is close to rivers Subarnarekha and Kharkai in Jharkhand, which provide sufficient water. It is close to the iron ore, coal and manganese deposits. TISCO gets coal from Jharia coal fields and iron ore, limestone, manganese from Odisha and Chhattisgarh. The city is well connected with other big cities by road as well. Kolkata, located at a distance of 250 km, provides port facilities and provides market for the products. Bihar and Odisha are densely populated regions. That's why it provides cheap labor. Moving towards the next iron and steel industry at Pittsburgh, USA. Pittsburgh is an important steel city of the United States of America. It is also known as Iron City. The steel city of the region enjoys following advantages. Number 1, raw materials. Some of the raw material like coal is available locally, while the iron ore comes from the iron ore mines at Minnesota. Next is transportation. The city is well connected through rail, waterways. Trains carry the iron ore from the Great Lakes to the Pittsburgh area. Next point is water supply. The Ohio, the Monongahela and the Allegheny rivers provide adequate water supply. Next is cheap labor. Skilled as well as unskilled labor is easily available. So children, all these geographical conditions of Pittsburgh have a favorable topography, temperate climate, skilled labor and market. It makes this place favorable for the development of iron and steel industry.